Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic: how to transfer Dogecoin from KuCoin to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will help you move your assets smoothly and securely. Now, before we jump in, a quick heads up. Robinhood doesn't currently support direct deposits of cryptocurrency like Dogecoin. That means you might need to use a workaround, such as transferring to a personal wallet first. But let's break it down so you can decide the best path for you. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both KuCoin and Robinhood, and that you have some Dogecoin in your KuCoin wallet. Also, familiarize yourself with any fees involved. Transfers can cost a bit in network fees, so check current rates for the Dogecoin blockchain. Step 1. Log into your KuCoin account. Head over to the Assets or Wallet section and select Dogecoin from your list of holdings. Look for the Withdraw button. This is where the magic starts. Step 2. Enter the withdrawal details. You'll need to provide a recipient wallet address. Here's the catch. Since Robinhood doesn't give you a direct address for deposits, you'll probably want to send your Dogecoin to a personal wallet first, like one from Coinbase or a hardware wallet such as Ledger. Double-check that the address is correct to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. Confirm the withdrawal on KuCoin. You'll be prompted to enter a 2FA code for security, so have that ready. Once submitted, your Dogecoin will be sent to the specified wallet. This process usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Step 4. Now, for the Robinhood side. Unfortunately, as of 2025, you still can't directly deposit Dogecoin into Robinhood. Instead, once your Dogecoin is in your personal wallet, you might need to sell it for fiat currency and then buy Dogecoin directly on Robinhood. Always monitor your transaction on a blockchain explorer to ensure everything goes through safely. In summary, transferring Dogecoin isn't always straightforward, but with these steps, you're set to handle it like a pro. If you run into any issues, double-check platform rules and consider reaching out to customer support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more crypto tips, and I'll see you in the next video.